once again to the our Academy of Education. In today's video, we are going to do ICSE Class 7, ICSE Class 7, Chemistry Chapter 4, exercise, that is atomic structure. Chapter 4 we have already explained in our earlier videos. In today's video we are going to explain exercise of chapter 4, that is atomic structure. Right? First question, that is question A. Question A in your book is tick the correct choice among the following. Amongst the following, first is subatomic particles of atoms are. So options are protons, electrons, neutrons, and fourth option is all of these. So our answer will be all of these. That is proton, electrons, neutrons are subatomic particles of atoms. Now next one is Na is the symbol of. So our third option is C, that is sodium. Sodium will be our answer. Right? Next question number third is symbol of potassium is K. K comes from calcium. It's a Latin name. Right? Now question number fourth is Latin name of iron is, answer will be ferrum. Choice B, ferrum. Question number fifth is the valency of aluminium is option C, +3. Which of the following are liquid elements? So option B, bromine, Br2. Right? Now we move on to the next question, that is true false. Here are given 10 statements, out of which statements 5, 9, 10 are false. So we will rewrite them. No need to rewrite the other correct statements. So we are taking only 5, 9 and 10. 10th statement. Right? So fifth is the molecular formula of bromine is Br3. No, this is not Br3. Rather it is Br2. So we will write Br2 in place of Br3. This is the right. Now a molecule of element consists of atoms of same kind. Here we will insert same or different kind. Right? Next is 10th statement. There are 80 non-metals discovered so far. No, they are not 80. There are only 17 non-metals has been discovered so far. Right? This was your second question. That is true and false. Now we will move on to the third. Name the following compounds. So first is P2O5. So this will be phosphorus pentoxide. Phosphorus pentoxide. P2 is for phosphorus, O5 is for oxide, that is 5 pentoxide. Now PCl3 will be phosphorus trichloride. There are 3 chlorine, so it will become trichloride. CO is simple, 1 carbon, 1 oxygen, carbon monoxide. SO3, 1 sulfur, 3 sulfur, so O3 trioxide. Oxide is O3, there are 3 molecules, so trioxide. S4 sulfur. CCl4, C4 carbon, Cl4 tetrachloride, 4 tetrachloride. SO2 sulfur dioxide. 2 di means 2 oxide. NH3 ammonia. H2S hydrogen sulfide. S is sulfide, H2 is hydrogen. NO2 means nitrogen dioxide. 2 oxide comes from here. HCl means hydrogen H chloride Cl. Hydrogen chloride. Now CH4 means methane, CuSO4, Cu for copper, and SO4 sulfate. AuCl3, Au for auric, Cl3 chloride. Zn3PO4 twice. Here, if we put anything outside bracket, we will read them as twice, thrice. Right? So this is Zn3 for zinc, PO4 for phosphate. Now next question is question D, that is match the column. I have matched them. Question column A and column B. So a molecule of an element will match part C of column B, that is once this pair will be this, and a molecule of a compound 2D, 3B, 4A, 5F and 6E. You can do this way. These are your 4 questions, A, B, C and D. Right, students? Now students, we will move on to question E, that is answer the following questions. Right? First question is, what substance is made of only one kind of atoms? Only one kind of atoms. That substance is called homoatomic substance. That substance is called homoatomic substance. Its example can be oxygen, made by 2 oxygen elements, atoms, and nitrogen, made by 2 nitrogen atoms. Right? Next question is, name 2 gaseous elements. These are chlorine and bromine. Cl2 means chlorine, Br2 means bromine. Now third, when 2 or more elements combine in a fixed ratio, remember fixed ratio, then it is called, what is the resultant product called? Then the resultant product is called compound. A simplest example is water, where hydrogen and oxygen are are combined in a fixed ratio to form water. So it is called compound, right? So fixed ratio is of 1:8. 1:8. 1 part hydrogen, 8 part oxygen, so we get water, right? Name the scientist who introduced the modern system of naming elements. It was J.J. Berzelius. Right? Next question is, name the tetraatomic molecule. It is phosphorus, P4. Define atomicity. Atomicity is the number of atoms present in a molecule of an element. Right? What do you understand by chemical formula of an element? It is the formula that shows the actual number of atoms in one molecule of the element. Right? Now, what is the difference between question number 8 is part A 8 is what is difference between 2O and O2? 2O here means 2 atoms of oxygen and O2 means 1 molecule of oxygen. 2 atoms of oxygen combine to form 1 molecule of oxygen. What is a radical? A radical is the positively or negatively charged component of a compound consisting of a single atom or a group of atoms. They are called radical. They may be positive or negative. Right? What is the difference between cation and anion? Cation, when a neutral atom enters into a chemical reaction, it loses its neutral nature and becomes an ion due to loss of electron. Here it is kept to be mind, loss of electron to become stable. They loses electron to become stable in nature, hence it is called cation. For example, Na, if sodium loses 1 electron, it will become positive stable. In the same way, when a neutral ion enters a chemical reaction to gain electron, to become an ion due to gain of electron and become stable, then it is called an anion. Right? What would be the example of anion? Example of anion would be Example of anion: chlorine plus 1 electron. Here it gains 1 electron, so it will become negative here. That has lost electron, sodium, so that becomes positive. So this is anion chloride, right? So this was students question number E, or in your book all parts. Now state main postulates of Dalton's atomic theory. Question part 11 is the main postulates of Dalton's atomic theory. So when you will go on page 62, 5 points are given. Its answer is at page 62 of your book. 5 points are given. They are main postulate of Dalton's atomic theory. Now question number 12 is modern system of naming elements. Modern system of naming elements. It was given by Bergelius. It was J.J. Bergelius, and it is at page 63. 3 dots are given, 3 bullets are given at page 63. 3 points are given at page 63. You can do it from there. Now question number 13 is, what is variable valency? Variable valency. So variable valency, what would be its definition? If any metallic element, show more than one valency, then it is called variable valency. Right, students? So its example are, you will study it about it in higher classes. Its example are like iron is a metallic metal, so it shows ferric and ferrous, Fe2 plus and Fe3 plus. One element showing two valencies, more than one valency, so they are, this is ferrous and this is ferric. Right, student? Another example, a simple example is, you can take copper. Copper also show one valency and two valency, right? So with one valency it will become cuprous, CuProus, and with two valency it will become Cupri. So these are two examples of the variable valence, right? Now students, move on to question F and G. So F and G are easy. These are your homeworks you will do at home. If you will face any problem, you can go to comment section of our channel and discuss there. Now we will move on to the question H. Question H of your exercise is, write the formulae. Write the formulae. of the following sorts by crisscross method. Okay, crisscross. So we are going to discuss here crisscross method. For that, for this question has to be done, you should have clear the basics. So in the last question I have told you about the radicals. Radical is a positively or negatively charged component of a compound consisting of a single atom or group of atoms. So these positively and negatively charged radicals are given you at your pages 72 and 73. You have to learn them orally. Keep in mind always while doing the such type of question, like write the formula by crisscross method, right, or doing the chemical reactions that will come further in the further chapters. For in this chapter we are doing crisscross method of writing the formula. So for crisscross method you have to keep positive radicals and negative radicals in mind, right? So here I have drawn the chart of positive radicals and negative radicals. Here is valency 1, valency 2, valency 3. So valency is, as you know, valency is the number of electrons an atom can donate or accept, right? Donate or accept. You have just read cation and anion. It is also, they are also part of this aspect, right? Elements with valency 1 are known as monovalent, 2 they are known as divalent, 3 they are trivalent, right? So let us go these. For example, hydrogen H positive, copper 1 it has variable valency of 2, copper and cupric here it is cupric. Only plus means they have valency 1, 2 plus means they have valency 2, 3 plus means they have valency 3. In the same way, H minus means minus sign means they have valency 1, negative radicals. Minus 2 minus means they have valency 2, 3 minus means they have valency 3, right? So this is the, you have to keep in mind this aspect, these positive and negative radicals. Now we are going to start here with the question number H. The first is we have to draw the crisscross method formula of lead nitrate. Lead nitrate. So while drawing the formulas, you have to keep in mind, I have two words are written, one is on left, one is on right. The one written on the left is positive radical and this is negative radical, right? This is the most important thing you have to keep in mind. The letter written on left is positive radical and this is negative. If you had you have cleared this, you have done the 90% portion of writing crisscross formula, right? Now as you know, this lead is positive, you will see in the positives. Where is lead? Where is lead written? Lead is written here, Pb2 positive. We will write Pb2 positive here, and see nitrate in the negatives. Where is nitrate? Nitrate NO3 minus. Now it is very easy for you to draw crisscross method. So we will draw like this here, like this here. right? This means we have to write this element without its valency, that is without means without positive or negative signs. So if we left positive sign of Pb, it will be written as this, and if we negative sign of NO3 like this, right? Now here is minus. The minus, that means minus 1. No need to write minus 1. Forget plus and minus, that is 1, only 1 here. So no need to write 1 here, that Pb will be written as it is. Right now NO3, it has valency 2 positive. So we will draw a bracket, round bracket on NO3 and take this 2 here outside the bracket. Right, we will read it as NO3 twice. Now we have to make the compound by this and this, by combining this. So our compound, our salt will become PbNO3 twice. Simple, no need to panic, right? So I am taking another next part of it. Next part of it is what? My pen has gone deep. No. Next part is zinc hydroxide, number 2. I am doing number 2 from this to here. Number 2 is zinc hydroxide. So first step, we have to find out which is positive, which is negative. Written on left is always positive and written on right is always negative. This is positive radical, this is negative radical. So we will see zinc in positive radicals. Where is zinc? We have to learn this. Here it is zinc. So this is will become Zn2 positive. Now this is hydroxide. Where is hydroxide? This is negative. We will go in negative. This is OH minus. Now half the work is done. We will draw crisscross here and here. Right? Write them without their valency. Zn here, OH here, OH bracket. Right? Now this valency of Zn will go outside the bracket. This is only minus 1, no need to only 1, no need to write 1. So our compound salt from this will become ZnOH twice. Right? Easy, quite easy, no need to panic. Now we will do the third. Third formula is of, you have to draw the formula of copper, COPPER, sulfate. Again, first step to find out positive and negative radicals. This is positive, this is negative. We will see copper in the positive. So here copper sulfate. So here this is copper. We will take Cu2 positive. Sulfate from negative radicals. Where is sulfate? sulfate. Here is sulfate. SO4 2 negative. Now, when the same valency occurs with positive and negative sign, here 2 is with positive and 2 is with negative, so it got cancelled. Right? As we do in the math. Now put crisscross here. Here we will write Cu. Here we will write SO4. No valency here, no valency here. So our compound will become CuSO4. No need to connect. Right? So I have done 1, 2, 3, and now I will do ninth. I am going to do here ninth. Ninth is would be difficult for you. So I am writing here. Number 9, ammonium phosphate. So first step, positive and negative. Ammonium is positive and phosphate is negative. So we will see ammonium in the positives. Where is ammonium? This, only one valency. So we will write NH for positive. Phosphate in the negative. You have done sulfate, phosphate. This is phosphate. PO4, 3 negative. This cross, this cross. So this has, so this is become NH4 here. This has 3 valency. So we will put its valency here. And PO4 here. Right? It has only one, no need to write it here. So combine this, so our compound will become NH4 thrice here 3 PO4. Right? So 139 have been done by me. I am writing the formulas of the remaining. You will try crisscross method at your home. In case of any problem, you can consult with me on my channel comment section. 1, 2, 3 have done. Number 4. Number 4 is potassium sulfate. Potassium sulfate. So its formula will K2SO4. Crisscross method you will draw at home. I am doing it directly. Number 5 is ferrous sulfate. Ferrous sulfate is from iron FeSO4. Number 6 is sodium bisulfate NaHSO4 Na2HSO4. Number 7 is copper nitrate. Copper nitrate. Its formula becomes SuNO3 twice. Number 8, aluminium oxide. Al2O3. Number 9, I have already done. You can see there. Number 10, silver sulfide. So So silver sulfide Ag for silver, 2 for sulfide. Number 11, mercury, 2 bromide. Hg for mercury, Br 2 for bromide. Number 11, sorry, number 12. No, this is number 12. This is number 12. And this is number 11. Number 11 is potassium chlorate. So potassium is for K, ClO3 is for chlorate, right? Number 13, copper to nitrate, CuNO3 twice. Number 14, iron 3 chloride, FeCl3. So students, this was exercise of chapter number 4, that is atomic structure. I have done it. For this portion you have to keep in mind the formulas and valency of positive and negative radicals given at pages 72 and 73 of your book. I have also written them in this video, right? If you have understood well this video, please give it more likes, shares, and get it subscribed by your friends, more and more friends, right? So this is all. Now we will meet in our next video with some new chapter, new topic, new exercise. Till then, it's goodbye. Keep studying hard. Syllabus is going more and more difficult and vast. Goodbye.